Lord be with you. Good everyone. This is our Kenosis Gospel Reflection Tuesday, and it will be coming from St. John chapter 3 verses 7 to 15. I have a friend who asked me, what is my proof that heaven is real, that there is life after death, that there is resurrection? My simple answer was, because Jesus said so. And because I believe on Jesus, so I believe on the words that He said. In the continuation of the discourse between Nicodemus and Jesus, He said, if you are not believing on the earthly things, then how much more if I tell you about heavenly things? Because they were discussing about being born again, being born in the Spirit and water, of being born from above. And then Jesus concluded with this saying, no one has gone to heaven except the one who has come from heaven, the Son of God. My dear sisters and brothers, this is the reality of our faith. It may be mysterious to us today, but the fullness of its revelation will happen when the right time comes, when finally we will have our beatific vision of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit in His kingdom. But just like what I said, for now, we believe and we keep holding on to the words that Jesus said. And if someone will ask you, what is your proof that heaven is real? Because Jesus said so. And if you will be asked how heaven looks like, tell them, come to the Eucharist and you will have the foretaste of heaven. My dear sisters and brothers, for those who believe, no evidence is necessary. But for those who do not believe, even if there is an abundant evidences, they will never be sufficient. So today, as we journey, let us have a grateful heart and anticipate the time when we will be joining God in His heavenly kingdom. The door has been opened by the resurrection of Jesus. God bless.